Over the years, my home office changed dramatically from a tiny desk in the corner to now a full standing desk and a whole room just for myself. I got lots of questions on my Instagram about a few particular items in the office, so I guess that's the best time to do a whole desk tour. So welcome to my office. So the most recent upgrade I got is the standing desk from FlexiSpot. I've been testing it for a month, and to be honest with you, I don't know how I could live without standing desk for such a long time. It got 4 presets and also an USB charger. It can go as low as 58 centimeters and as high as 123 centimeters. I got it in color bamboo with white legs and it's nearly 2 meters long. Previous desk I had white one. I'm gonna share somewhere here the previous look. So my previous desk was also nearly 2 meters long. I guess I just need that space for all the coffee cups I'm using. So yeah, 2 meters long. I'm super happy with the size. I was really worried how standing desk can handle such a big size, but this desk can handle up to 160 kg. I've tried to sit on it. I tried me and my husband sit on it, so it's definitely 160 kg. There are part of my office that are unfinished. A couple of months ago, I did like a mood board, and initially I was gonna do some shelvings in this space, like full length of shelves, because I got loads of books. However, every time I'm going to IKEA, I cannot decide which shelf I want. So for now it stays empty, or sometimes I put a mirror in there. The next most common question is this little calendar. So I actually got it from Amazon or Temu. I'm gonna link it all in the description just for you. It's cool because it's reusable. There is no year. You initially set every day just by yourself, so you can use whichever year you want. Another cool Amazon slash Temu find was this sunset light. So this cost me, I think, like £2 or £3, and is the best light. We got now a couple of them in the house. It gives just this perfect sunset vibe. I know they do as well multicolor ones. I might get the pink one next. They're super cool, but they're not gonna last too long. This is my third one I bought since first. I bought the first one. Another little upgrade I didn't know I need as much was the BenQ monitor lamp. Basically what it does, it's lighting up the whole desk for me, and I can switch which mode I want, if it's just the backlight or if it's both of them, or if it's just the front light. We can set the temperature, so can be as orange as I want or as white as I want, which I never use. Let's go back to orange. We can set how much light we want. So just a little light, which I use most of the days in England, and then the maximum light, this is what I use at night. So I use my office mostly during the day, 9 to 5, but I also do some content creation work in the evening. And what I love about my office right now is that it's perfect for any time of the day. So the ambient lighting really changed the atmosphere in the office. Another orange light I'm using is the lamp from IKEA. It's like an egg shape. And I think it's just adding the vibes, matching together with the 2 orange lights. It's getting really warm and cozy vibes. The main 2 items in my office are, of course, the monitor, which is BenQ Designer Monitor. I've been using it for 4 or 5 years, I think, maybe longer, and it's that good that most of people in my office now using exactly the same monitor, so I guess everyone like it. And the second most important thing is, of course, the laptop, which is MacBook 14-inch Pro from 2024 or 23. And this is my work laptop. And here is my personal laptop, which is now inside the most gorgeous laptop case I've seen. It's made with real leather and is matching my desk mat. They both are from Harbour London and they are handmade. So here we have another MacBook. This one is 16-inch Pro from late 2023. Work laptop I got is actually more powerful, so this one is now just hidden in case I need to work on some content creation during the weekend in the cafe. The next from Apple family, we got the Apple Magic Mouse, which I used twice, so it's there if I need it. Then we have trackpad, which I use in everyday projects. I've decided this time I'm not gonna go for Apple product, so I got some trackpad from Amazon. I'm rating it 6 out of 10. It's not as smooth as actual MacBook trackpad, but it does the job. Then we have the Logitech keyboard. I think it's called MX Keys Mini. I will leave all the details in the description, but this one looks exactly like Apple keyboard. It's of course much cheaper. Sometimes, but not often, I also work on the iPad Air, mostly for UX work, like doing diagrams, sketching low wireframes, just loads of like drafts really. And also when I'm going office, I'm using it as my extra screen. It's said that Figma only works on MacBooks but not on iPad and phone. You can only mirror or use a FigJam. It's still helpful, however it would be nice if they have some version on tablets. And now let's move into accessories. I think the best accessory every office should have is books. Not only they give the vibe to your office, but also shows your personality. Here I have a product designer portfolio final. I'm halfway through it and I cannot recommend it enough, so probably soon I'm gonna do some review on it on Instagram, on YouTube. The other books you can find in my office is the How to Survive Mother Ann or Atomic Habits. The other accessory, but not accessory in my office, is my little camera collection. We got the Instax, few of the Olympus and Canon. They just dust in there for now until summer come and I can go again on my little adventures and shoot some beautiful landscapes. On the other side of my office, I have lovely wardrobes. The last one is filled with lots of different tripods, big light, some backdrop when I was thinking I'm gonna do streaming, and cables, mostly cables. Even found one more hidden tripod which should be there. Not sure why it isn't. Let me know, what do you think of that tripod? So if you are UI UX designer, product designer, graphic designer, and you are wondering what kind of setup you should have for your home, especially on a budget when you're first starting out, I would say the most important right now is a good laptop so you can work anywhere you want. Preferably a MacBook Pro because most of company using it, so you will have exactly the same experience if you're working in the office or if you're working from home. Secondly, two phones. First one should be an iOS and second one should be an Android to test the stuff you're designing on both of them. If you have any spare money, then I would suggest get the second monitor and the iPad you can use like I'm using, which is mostly for making drafts and of course testing. Monitor is handy, but I don't think it's like super necessary to start with. The BenQ Designer range is really great for everything graphic related and is not so bad for gaming either. If you guys have any tips for cable management, I would love to hear about them in the comments. See you next time.